What are the best eye exercises to do while walking down the street? First, while walking down the street, you can watch moving away cars, which helps to develop accommodation, particularly helpful for nearsightedness. Second, you can work on blinking. Get into the habit of blinking at each step, or you can do one step with your eyes open and one with your eyes closed, and you will have a clear visual behavior, planned long-term and very high activity and visual functionality. Third, look at the different objects and blink a few times to help your eyes to focus. Your brain will send signals to the eye muscle to switch the distance of looking, and you will help your eye muscles with blinking. All eye exercises must be done without spectacles or lenses. Spectacles block the function of accommodation completely. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course to improve your eyesight naturally, to get rid of myopia or astigmatism, join my Eyesight Academy course. The link will be in the description below.